Jamaica, where are you? We're going down there. Woo! Woo! Hey! What? Yo, we ain't missing that world, brother. We ain't missing that. We ain't missing that world. People reach, I pass it now. We are go through the jungle. So me alone I carry bicycle?
Put this in my head, Prince.
Put the bicycle on my head?
Put this on your head.
Oh, put the camera on my head.
Yeah.
You have a point.
You go like you have to hold this in your hand, brother. Who are you?
Alright, people. Let's go.
Come on,
Your bicycle weighs 5 million ton.
Are you in the same way? Jump. Right, you say what you want?
Hey, a long time I not come down the river, you know? Ay, ay. The bridge never dirty. Wow. We can swim? Wow!
Beautiful.
Beautiful! The river. Where's sister right as well? People, I'm showing you the river. Come here, choke off right. Come here, choke off right now. Come here, choke off. Come here, choke off. This is the beautiful river. People, they might do some kind of construction up there, so I'm showing you what's going on up there, so. Cause that is it. Beautiful. What more you want than this? See? Hey, we are gonna change off and we are jump right in. People, me have a spear gun, you know. But me arrest this for today. I gotta just enjoy ourselves. Come on. We're going at Waterfall now, people. Watch out now, people. We are going to enjoy the river before Hurricane Beryl. Alright, why name? Hurricane Beryl in Jamaica. We're gonna enjoy the river. You see? We are go over a waterfall section. Ah. Come on, man. We're gonna build one raft in our next video. Oh, people, if you never see my last video, we actually did find one bamboo raft. Somebody built and left down here. Take time, Cross. Take time. Take time. Raise a blade then. Take your time. Yeah man, them grass are people, them grass are not easy. If you can't go make it, the hillside are too steep. You make it? You want to make it? So me alone can't make it? Let me go to some perspective. See how steep that is? Pro athlete.
Pro athlete. If you want to bring donkey foot there to come up here.
If nobody really know about nothing where I mean in Jamaica, we probably know where we're there right now. What's a flick? What's a flick? Hey, man, Willie, what's a flick? What's a flick? Whoa, elegant. Elegancy. Baby, I enjoy ourselves. We are pull up on the waterfall section. This is a man-made waterfall, but we don't care. We love it just the same. If you're not in Jamaica, where are you? People, we come a river today to do like a spear fishing trip. But that now go work. No. Where can I go? Alright, we're gonna explore what the under is. You ready? Well, let me see if you can manage it. Go on up there. Try go up and dive. Go on up and dive. Hey, people, me I go up on the top. It's a lovely day, but as I always say, we are trying to put in a little swim before the hurricane, cause if you don't look up here, so rain a falling up here. Breeze on the blues. Yeah, cause rain a falling now. But we don't matter that. Come here, take a little swim with it. Me bumper, the deepest.
You touch the bottom?
Yeah, me touch it. Enjoy yourself by river till the hurricane come. Cause when the hurricane come, no more river. People, as I was saying, we just enjoy ourselves before the hurricane come. So, let's go and enjoy ourselves. It's a beautiful view though.
Okay, let's go.
People, we enjoy the waterfall, but we are going to go back down to the main swimming part so we can actually enjoy ourselves. Alright people, down there we go. Yeah man, we are go down there. We're gonna be swimming. We're gonna be swimming. Anyways people, you know what I say? We always we always out here like every day. You see me? So we're gonna enjoy ourselves. Swim good on current strength.
Yeah.
Come on. You want a deep fall? That's why you never forgot my way to go. Ow. long, put you man.
Oi.
Make one man. One day I go bottom.
You like to keep bottom.
People, may I go down at bottom. Come with me. One more time. Wow. No sir. Come on, be a feeling again. Boss one bad flick up. You reckon really?
Yeah, fair. Brent, man, make you rope bust now. Brent! Man, make me rope bust. Hey, don't flick over me there. Turn up on that tree branch. Mm-hmm.
Stop sitting, please.
TV, come on here. Good. What? You cannot go on the journey. Point to parry them.
Woo! That's how we do it. Because we're swimmers. Aquatic. Wish we could make a better video for you, but as you can see, water dirty. Storm come.
Go on.
Just the vibes. Just keep swimming. YouTube land, this is the end of the video. I know say me I come back with an epic banger for you. But watch now, we're out. We're going to catch you, but we now watch that. Mango for years and decades. Watch out. Bye tonight. Bye tonight.
Why is you talking?
Bye tonight, mango.